guys, we're gonna be doing balloon stress ball trading, and it's gonna be stressful. Okay, so what would you give me for?
I'll give you the one. That's a really tall one.
This one.
What's in it? Oh,
It's a color changing, a homemade color changing one.
how about this hair one?
Can you? Fine. Sure. I like pears and these. Okay, now you do an offer.
What will you guys trade me for this color changing one? You have to trade too. What will you trade me for this?
Can I trade you my very pretty black one?
Ooh, what's your? Oh, this blue one. Ooh, I kind of like the black one better.
Yay!
What will you trade me for these blue ones? Mia, let me see what they are. Water and air.
Water and air.
How about this water and this? How about this?
How about this water, Nito?
How about these both water?
How about these
This
ones?
one's color changing.
How about these ones? Yay! Okay, what would you give me for my soccer stress ball? It is very good.
I would
Both of you
trade
guys.
This 2 lotion.
Mimi.
Well, yeah.
Mimi.
1 lotion and then I think these are both lotion.
Can you add here? Let me feel these.
No,
Can I feel these?
These are
Lotion.
the ones I got.
Lotion. Can you add like an air one or something, or a color changing one? Because this one's very good. Okay. There you go.
Yeah.
What is that one? That's what is. Okay. You offer now.
Me?
Both of you guys,
Anyway.
or you can.
What is this?
An air one.
Can I only offer for this one? Because I really like this.
Ooh. I want to offer for all of these.
I'll trade you these. All of mine. This one.
I'll trade you this. This and this.
I'll trade you these.
For this. Yay! That was a good trade. Okay, now my turn to offer. Let me just let out all my balloons. No.
Balloons! Says don't give it to someone and then want it back.
Okay. What would you offer for this one? White into red color changing
I'll
one.
give you this pink to purple color changing.
Sure.
I need one.
Oh.
Here.
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 Wait.
Wait, I want to offer
For
can I offer for your white one? And then I'll give you this.
okay, can I offer for the soccer ball?
Me? Yeah.
This and this.
Mia, what did you put in here? Deal.
Okay, take it. I love this.
Who wants to trade me for this crunchy?
Oh, me.
Okay, both of you guys. Let's see your offers. Don't pop it.
I think I will do this blue to white stress ball.
That's all of it. That's
Blue to white.
this one's really legendary. So here. Yay.
Okay. What would you guys offer for this lotion?
White. How about since you're trading blue to white, I'll trade you red to white to a red.
Sure.
Okay, what are you trading? What are you trading? I only have one. Oh, well, you can trade it. Here. Oh, yay. Stop it. Don't trade everything. Don't trade everything because you're only going to... Okay.
What is this? Ooh, the crunchy one.
These 2. A water and a
I'll give you a color changing one.
This one's color changing too. And I'm giving you 2 things. So I got the crunchy.
Okay. What will you give me for all of these balloon ones? Color changing, pink to purple,
these.
pink to purple,
I'll give you
blue to like a light blue.
crunchy crunchy. I think
This to like
water.
a black, and then this one into a red.
Okay, I have this crunchy, a water, a black water, I think, and an air.
Short.
Hey, I wanted that. This looks like pants, actually. No, it says like you.
Okay, what would you guys give me for the crunchy one and the air one? And the air one?
And this color.
All of those? Sure. Like for part 2 and subscribe.